Hello, Facebook and YouTube. My name is Brandon Eccles, and I am Ketchup Man. I'm just popping in today quickly to tell you about a new Facebook page that I'm a part of called Teach an Iowan to Cook. You might recognize the personality behind the page. There's weekly videos that this character is putting out that's teaching Iowans how to cook with seasoning, as well as some interesting recipes that are supposed to be more southern than what we usually eat up here. So if you like cottage cheese, you probably aren't going to like some of these recipes. But if you love it or if you hate it, check it out and see if any of these recipes maybe might work out better for you. Again, this is Brandon Eccles. I am the Ketchup Man, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. It means everything to me, really.